Do you want to know how to make your trades profitable and transform from a trader who incurs losses to a trader who makes profits? Do you want to increase your efficiency and win rate without taking unnecessary and large risks? If so, I recommend watching this video until the end. In this video, we have combined two indicators to create a powerful and effective strategy. First, select your symbol. You can do this by entering the symbol section and searching for the symbol you prefer. After choosing your symbol, go to the time frame and set your time frame to 15 minutes. You can choose any other time frame you like, but my recommended time frame is 15 minutes. Now let's go to the indicator tab. In the search box, search for EMA filtered parabolic SAR and add it to your chart. To enhance the performance of this indicator, you need to customize its settings according to your preferences. You can do this by entering the indicator settings and making the same changes I have made. Trading with this indicator is straightforward. When price candles are above the 200 EMA line, it indicates an uptrend. And you should look for buy positions. By placing buy orders at these points, you can achieve good profits. Similarly, when price candles are below the 200 EMA line, it indicates a downtrend, and you should look for sell signals to place sell orders and potentially profit from them. With this indicator, you will always trade in the direction of the market trend, reducing the risk of trading against the market and incurring losses. However, some signals produced by this indicator may be misleading and lead to losses. To prevent this, add a second indicator. In the indicator tab, search for SSL Extendido. When you find it, click on it and add it to your chart. You can see this indicator has been added to the bottom of our chart. In order to make the most of this indicator, it's enough to go to its settings and make changes. This indicator is a versatile tool and consists of multiple lines and colored zones that provide valuable information about market and key points. Green zones indicate strong uptrends, while red zones indicate strong downtrends. Traders can use this indicator to identify powerful points and make informed decisions. Now that you understand how to use these two indicators, let me explain how to place buy and sell orders. Before proceeding, remember to subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and watch our videos as they will be beneficial to you. Let's continue with the explanations. Let's start with buy orders. To enter a buy order, ensure that you have observed a buy signal on the chart. Then check if the price candles are above the 200 EMA line, and now that we are in an uptrend. After that, it's enough to look at the SSL indicator and make sure that this indicator is in the green zone and indicating an uptrend. Once all conditions are met, you can place a buy order and set our stop loss below the EMA line or the last swing low, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Wait for the trade to close with a profit. Now, I will just explain the sell order for you. The first step to enter a sell order is to be able to see a sell signal on the chart. After that, you need to make sure that the price is below the 200 EMA line and we are in a downtrend. Then, we need to go to the SSL indicator and make sure that at this point its color is red and we are in the sell zone. When all these conditions are met, we realize that we have found the entry point for the sell order. And for risk management, I recommend placing your stop loss above the 200 EMA line or the last swing high. And risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Wait for the trade to close with a profit. This indicator and strategy have been very profitable for me. And I hope that after watching this video, you will try it out and write about your win rate in the comments. Thanks for watching this video until the end.